discuss about so what are the contents we having on the AutoCAD here. So, okay, can you see here, this is AutoCAD contents, and the further tutorials are going to discuss this all those contents to you. Okay, so now I'll discuss that what are the contents over here, and each and every one I'm going to discuss briefly over here. So, okay, and after that we continue with the first topic what we have here. So now you can see it, friends. This is the first topic here, that is called an introduction about CAD and CAM and CAE applications. So here the CAD and CAM and CAE is a department of engineering. So we have it. So CAD department of applications, and as well as we have CAM department of applications, and as well as CAE department of applications here. And what is the use of these applications, and what are the applications are there in that particular department, and which are the engineers are using that applications? That all things are going to be discussed on this topic. And after this topic, we are going to discuss about object snap and commands and projections. We are going to discuss now. So object snap is playing important role into the AutoCAD, and as well as commands is also playing the important role into the AutoCAD, and projections is also playing the important role into the AutoCAD. But what is the main necessity of we are using it? Object snap, commands and projections. We will discuss it on this particular topic. And coming to the here, this is called as a working with the user interface. It means how we have opened your AutoCAD application, and AutoCAD application what we are seeing it, so and what we are going to do something onto the interface, that all those things we are going to discuss. And that now, so I can discuss type of selections and polar tracking and crosshairs and grips and status bars also. I'm going to discuss this in working with the user interface. And coming to the here, this is called as a working with the lines now. So working with the lines means everyone is knowing that to make the line, but no one is knowing that. Somebody is knowing that it's a polar relative coordinates. Polar relative coordinates. By using of the polar relative coordinates also, we can easily make the lines, and as well as mouse directions also. In the mouse direction also, we can easily make the lines there. And here, and after finishing of it here, so we are going for, and it means see here, before going this lines now, so I can discuss something commands to you. So that is a basic commands to you. So that basic commands we will discuss it with you, and after that we come into this line and all these things to you. Okay, now we after finishing up the lines now, so we are moving to the draw commands here. In this draw commands, I'm going to discuss some more commands to you, like circle, rectangle, polygon, and ellipse. So, and we have many commands are there now. So those commands are going to be discussed with you in a draw command side. And next one is, this is very important one in the AutoCAD. So that is what is the filters. If you are not choosing the filter now, so it will be for example, if you are going for something plan, we are doing it. So that plan we can easily complete it in within 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So why? Because if we are knowing it a filter, that's very simple to do that. If there's no meaning of the filters, then it's difficult to do that, and it takes time also. But if in case if you are knowing the filter, so it's very simple to do, that all this works too. Okay. Coming to the sixth topic. The sixth topic is also a draw command. So we have many draw commands are there, we'll discuss it also. And we have modify commands, that is also we are going to discuss. And we have array command. See, the arrays are playing important role in AutoCAD. If in case if you want to be taken a multiple copies now, then we are using the arrays commands for that. And as well as with the along with the arrays now, so we are using some other commands also. That commands also are going to be discussed with you, and other commands is also there in the AutoCAD. We are going to discuss that. See, this all these sections is I'm going to discuss that more about the command side. But why I'm explaining the command side means because if you're knowing about the commands now, so we can easily do the plans. It's not matter that how we are doing the plans. See, everyone is doing the plans. It's not matter, but so how much they can do, how much they can fast they can do that. That is some only matter. So that's the reason I'm explaining more about the commands here in the sections. and after that I'll go into the plans here. See, AutoCAD is not separate for civil, mechanical, and electrical. So AutoCAD we are using for the civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, plumbers, and welders. They are using this AutoCAD application. Why? Because of they wants to do any drawing now, so they're compulsory using this particular application. Okay, so and we'll discuss that civil plans first, and after that mechanical and electrical, we are going to do that. So and after making these plans now, so we are assigning the dimensions to this particular plans. So we need to know that what is the meaning of the dimensions, and where you are using the dimensions, and what is the necessity of you giving the dimensions. That all those things we are going to discuss on this particular topic, and how we can adjust your dimensions. That we're going to discuss on dimension style manager. And we have other commands is also there along with the dimension style manager. We have commands that also we're going to discuss, and we have a hatching also will there. So hatching is there. So how we are giving the hatching to your drawing, that also I'm going to discuss with you. And the blocks of AutoCAD is also there now. So what is the meaning of the blocks of AutoCAD? That's playing important role. So why it's playing important role means because of the reason is somebody has said that if you wants to be group the objects now, so then they're using the blocks command. As for my case now, so as per my experience now, so the block is not do that way. So the blocks means it's a combine the objects. For example, if you have 10 objects, we can combine together and we can treat like a one object. That will do by the block, and will do by the group also. The group also will do same thing, and block is also do same thing. But what is main difference of the blocks and all those things we'll discuss with you. And we have and this topic is we're going to discuss only the differences what we have group and blocks. Okay, and after that how many different types of blocks we have, that we're going to discuss on next topic, and what are the different type of blocks we have, so that we're going to discuss here. Okay, and coming to the here now, save the plan in an image, so plane in an image. Why? Because means, so for suppose if you wants to be export your drawing as an image, then we are using some other commands, and how we do that, how we are going to export your plan in an image format. And we have another command that is called image trace. The image trace means it's nothing but how we map your image. That we'll go into discuss on this particular topic. And after that we have hyperlink with other drawings. So means what, we can link other files to your files. So that we can do by using the hyperlink option. And as well as we have external reference also, we are taking an external reference from other file, and we are getting updates also from the other files, and all those things we'll go into discuss on an external reference. And the next thing is layers introduction. So that's a very important topic in AutoCAD here. So basically when you are open any AutoCAD now, that AutoCAD is compulsory having the layer, and we are doing anything now, so that will comes under one layer. So if it doesn't have any layer on an AutoCAD now, so we are not going to do any plans in AutoCAD. So that is the meaning of the layer introduction over here. And coming to the here now, layer filter. So what is the meaning of layer filter means? So for suppose if in any layer we have 100 layers are there, 200 layers are there. So if in case if I wants to be taken as a particular layers now, so how we taking that particular layers? So that will comes under the layer filter. So that will be discussed when I'm coming to the layer filter field. And coming to the plot and print, that is also very important, friends. We have the two devices are there in your market, that is plotter and printer. So the printer we are able to take only A4 or A3 A3 or A4 legal letter size purpose we can taken from the printer. But plotter is not like that. Plotter is we can take that A0 size paper or engineering size of papers also we can easily take from plotter. So that will go into the discuss that when I'm coming to the plot or print now, so how we can adjust your layout for printer, and how we can adjust your layout for plotter. That will go into the discuss now. So and we are going to the last topic, that is what is the layout creation and brush up. So that layout creation is very important. For example, when we are creating any AutoCAD now, So we are taking the new option for that. So in a new option, they are showing the so many templates over there. So on the templates, now we are choosing one template and we are clicking open now. So we are going to do your drawing. We are going to do a drawing on that particular template. So that will see in it how we are creating your own templates and how we do that. And this is also very important topic in a companies. Why? Because many different companies, they make this in different type of layers, and they do that all those models within that particular layout. So that's the reason what happens means if you create the model now, so then automatic layout will already prepared, so we can take and print out. So this is the exact meaning of layouts and all those things to you. And basically, see friends, this AutoCAD 2017, this is 2D for all sections, and this is 2D syllabus. This is 2D syllabus for you. This is 2D syllabus for you. So in this 2D syllabus now, so I'll go into the discuss this all those particular topics to you. Okay, okay friends and my dear friends here. So this all those topics I'll be covered until next sections to you. And the next section I'll going to discuss about this particular topic. So introduction about the CAD and CAM topic I'm going to discuss, and followed by object snaps and all other things to you. Okay, have a good day friends, enjoy the day, thank you.